Unraveling the Maze of Overthinking. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and make it as easy as pie for you to understand and use. Today, we're going to tackle a topic that affects many of us, not just in language learning, but in our everyday lives: overthinking things. Whether it's deciding what to say in a conversation, choosing what to eat for dinner, or even starting a new hobby, overthinking can be a real hurdle. Let's break it down together. At its core, overthinking things refers to the process of thinking about something too much or for too long, to the point where it becomes more harmful than helpful. It's like when your brain goes on a marathon, running around in circles, analyzing and reanalyzing decisions, conversations, or possibilities. This can lead to unnecessary stress, anxiety, and often, decision paralysis, where you can't make a decision at all. To bring it closer to home, let's look at some common examples. Deciding on an email response to a friend and spending hours considering each word, afraid of how they'll interpret it. Worrying about future conversations that haven't happened yet, trying to script them out in your head. Replaying past interactions over and over, wondering if you said something wrong. These scenarios show overthinking in action, where the mind gets caught up in a web of what-ifs and maybes, often without any clear resolution. So, why does our brain do this to us? A few reasons stand out. Fear of making mistakes. We're often taught that mistakes are bad, so we try to avoid them at all costs. Desire for perfection. In a world that praises perfection, we feel pressured to meet that standard in all we do. Information overload. With so much information at our fingertips, deciding what's relevant can be overwhelming. Understanding these triggers can be the first step in managing overthinking. Managing overthinking doesn't mean you'll never do it again, but it does mean you can reduce its impact on your life. Here are a few strategies. Set time limits for decision-making to prevent endless pondering. Practice mindfulness to bring your focus back to the present, rather than dwelling on past or future scenarios. Accept imperfection as a part of being human and a natural part of life's learning process. Implementing these strategies can create a healthier mindset and reduce the stress that comes with overthinking. We hope this exploration into overthinking things has shed some light on why we do it and how we can better manage it. Remember, it's okay to take your time with decisions, but it's also important to recognize when your thoughts are no longer serving you. Here's to less overthinking and more enjoying the journey of learning and living. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.